Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Venki. Today we'll see a LeetCode question, rising temperature. Here we have given table weather which contains ID, record, date, temperature. So here ID is the primary key for this table. We'll jump into the question. Write a solution to find all dates ID with a higher temperature compared to its previous date, that is yesterday. So we can return the result table in any order. So here the question states we need to find the ID where temperature to its previous date is higher. Okay, so we'll jump into example question, example input. Here we have input weather table ID which contains ID, record date, temperature and all. So we'll jump into the explanation. Here for ID1 we don't have previous temperature, right? Previous day, right? So this is the first column, first record in this table. So we'll jump into ID2 which contains previous date which is 2015-0101 having temperature 10. So for this for ID2 the temperature is 25, but previous to this date which is 2015-0101 is temperature is 10, right? So which is 25 is higher, so we need to return this ID. Similarly for we need to check for ID3 and 4. When coming to ID3 we have previous date, but previous day temperature is 25, today present day temperature is 20. So that's why we are not returning this 3. But when comparing to 4, we have temperature 30 for 04, but we have 20 temperature 20 for 03. That's why we are returning 4, right? So in detail I will explain the solution. Before going to solution, please pause the video and try for your solution. i will first I will first explain the solution and how I approach to this problem, and then I will start coding. Here it is the given table, right? It contains ID, record date, temperature. So the logic I am applying here is I will apply self joins. Self joint is nothing but joining specific rows from table itself. Here I will mention one condition, that is I need to get the table or data from this table which is which contains the previous date to present date. Like here if we take 2015-0101, so for this I will I will create another column which contains yesterday date and its respective temperature. For that I am using self join. So I will explain the logic where condition after doing join we need to mention that condition, right, on join. So I will explain the condition in while coding, while writing the solution for this problem. Before that I will just explain you briefly. So after doing self join I will get record. So here I need only previous day, right? Yesterday I will consider that as yesterday temperature. So for 0101 we don't have yesterday, so this is the first day in this table, right? So that's why I'm not considering this record. From 2 we need to consider, like 2 3 4 we need to consider. So that's why I put 2 3 4 this dates and temperature. For ID2 previous day, that is yesterday, is 1, ID1, right? So I put ID1 and record date and temperature. Similarly for 3 4 I did. So we'll jump into the solution. I will write the logic what I explained there here. So before going to this, again please pause the video and try for your solution. So I will do select ID because we need to give ID, right, for in output table. So from the, where is the table name, weather table. From weather I will give alias name as w1 for this, and join again we need to give, it is self join, right? That's why I'm giving same table names. W2 I'll mark it as W2. So here we need to mention from which table we are taking the IDs. So I will take from W1 because in W2 will contain only that previous day IDs, right? That's W1 here main logic occurs. Like I need to find the whether it is yesterday to present date or not. For that I will use, I already explained in my some of videos on date differ and all. So please go to that video and watch, or else I will simply explain the what is the date differ function. So here we will take date differ. So it will take two parameters. We need to give present date, I mean whatever date difference you want to get, present record date, comma w2 dot record date. Here I'm doing difference between two dates to get whether it is yesterday or previous date or not. So this date should be equal to one, right? Difference should be equal to one. So here we need to mention another condition, like we are dividing these tables like columns from yesterday and in to the present day. So we are mapping, just we are here, we did what we did so far is we are just mapping the different dates like present day and yesterday. We are not sure about temperature. For that we need to mention the temperatures too, right? Like it should be higher than the previous temperature compared to its previous dates yesterday, it should be higher. So for that then only we'll take the record list like id from the table. So for that I'm using w1 dot. For here we need to mention where is temperature. Your temperature I'm taking w1 as present day, that temperature should be greater than w2. I am taking here I'm taking w2 as previous, I mean yesterday's temperature. So this is the solution for this problem. We'll run and try whether it is working fine or not. Yeah, here you can observe this is our output and this is expected output. So we did correct solution for this question. So we will try for some hidden cases where it is working or it is working fine or not for this problem. Yeah, I submitted the solution and here you can see it accepted for hidden test cases too, and this is one of most effective solution. Yeah guys, this is the solution for this rising temperature, and this is my own approach, and there are many approaches for this question where you can use cross products and all. So please go to that, and this is what I want to explain to you. Thank you guys, bye bye. Please, if you have any questions or any doubts, please do comment and I will reply to all the comments you mentioned, and I will try to explain you in comment section itself, or else I will make another video for you if there are plenty of questions or doubts. Yeah, thank you guys, bye bye. Please do support and subscribe.